Hello everybody, I am Somukantigiri. Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss the preparation strategy of GPAT 2022. Okay, so let's start. See, at the very beginning, you have to know about the exam. Okay, so you have to know about GPAT. Okay, I think all of you know that GPAT is a all India basis exam. Okay, which is conducted by NTA. But the question marks, I mean the allotted question, number of allotted questions you should also know. From pharmaceutical chemistry, see, total 38 questions come. From pharmaceutics, 38 question. From pharmacognosy you will get 10 question. Okay, and from pharmacology you will get 28 question, and from others subject you will get total 11 questions. Okay, so that means total 125 questions will be there, and total marks for that, for those questions will be 500. Okay, so this is the pattern of question, this is the pattern of GPAT exam. Okay, total 125 questions will be there and 500 marks. The question paper will be based on 500 marks. Okay, so second thing, download and print the syllabus. Okay, so before beginning or at the beginning you have to prepare yourself by different methods. I mean, you have to know about the exam first of all, then you have to download and print out the syllabus. Okay, you have to go to the website, GPAT website. Okay, you have to go to the GPAT website and you will see that syllabus is there. Okay, and you have to download and print out. See, try to complete the whole syllabus as soon as possible. Okay, during your preparation, and emphasize on the important topics. Okay, you have to emphasize on the important topics as well as whole syllabus. Okay, then coming to the next point, try to prepare along your semester exam. Okay, I mean, if you are in fourth semester, I mean, or fifth semester or sixth semester, whatever may be. Okay, you have to prepare yourself for GPAT with semester exam preparation. Okay, without the preparation of semester exam you will not get any benefit for the preparation of GPAT. Okay, you have to prepare both of them. Okay, side by side or parallelly. Okay, so next, coming to the next point, collect all the necessary books. Okay, you have to collect all the necessary books like pharmacology by KD Tripathi, pharmacology by Sparsan Gupta. Okay, Spars Gupta. Then pharmaceutics, Liverman Lachman, CVS Subramaniam. Okay, uh, CVS Subramaniam, your physical pharmaceutics by CVS Subramaniam, or farm engineering by CVS Subramaniam. Okay, all these books are there. See, you have, if you want to know the full or complete list of books for GPAT, you can search on YouTube by GPAT books Somukantigiri. Okay, you will get a video where I have discussed all the necessary books, all the complete list of books for GPAT. Okay, I am just here mentioning the important ones. Okay, for pharmacognosy you will get Kokate. You have to have Kokate. Okay, and for pharmaceutical chemistry, organic chemistry books, whatever may be. Okay, Bhal sir का एक book है, you can prefer them, or Morrison Bart sir का एक book है. Okay, you can also prefer them. Analysis book by Ravi Shankar, spectroscopy by Y.R. Sharma, and instrumental analysis by Chatwal. Okay, all these books are very important. You have to have these books. Okay, and one more book. Okay, for comprehensive purpose or for preparation of MCQs, or preparing the whole syllabus according to the GPAT. Okay, you have to have Pearson. Okay, and Inamdar. Both of these books are very much very much important. Okay, see, Inamdar is the book where previous year question papers have been discussed. Okay, and explained. Okay, but Pearson is the book where previous year questions are there but no explanation. Okay, so if you want to study previous year question papers with detailed explanation, you have to have Inamdar. Okay, so this is the list of necessary books. Okay, then collect previous year question papers, especially from 2016 to 2021. Okay, you have to have the detail explained. Okay, previous year question papers from 2016 to 2021. Okay, then during preparation you have to remember 6 points. Okay, just build your concepts and clear doubts first. Okay, then study all the topics from basic to advanced level. Okay, and try to prepare different tables or charts to consolidate your resources. See, you can search on YouTube, in YouTube, that how to study pharmacology by Shomukant Giri. Then you will get on video where I have discussed logically how to prepare pharmacology for GPAT. Okay, so during preparation these 3 points you have to remember, and apart from these three, other 3 points are also there. Try to give mock tests as much as possible. It is very very important. Okay, you have to give mock tests as much as possible and analyze your performance. Okay, after giving mock test, okay, you have to analyze your performance, then try to revise how much you can, and also try to memorize them. Okay, you have to revise the entire syllabus how much you can. Okay, okay, you have to revise frequently the entire syllabus, and you have to recall or memorize them frequently. Okay, so at advanced level, I mean before 2 to 3 months of your exam, okay, you have to try to revise the entire syllabus. First thing. Second thing, weekly 1 or 2 mock tests on entire syllabus you have to give. Okay, and you have to find out your weaknesses and write down them. Okay, after giving mock test you will find that there are several topics or several points on which your weakness will be exposed. Okay, and you have to write down all these weaknesses, okay, on a white paper. Okay, on a paper, and you have to work them. You have to work on your weaknesses along with the revision. Okay, so this is the end of our video. Hope all of you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.